I try to get out of the office daily to remind myself that we're designed for physical movement. Now I have about 15 minutes to work out, get lunch, then head into my next meeting. Let's make things simple. So this workout is really short and intense and it's built upon the basics. So I do this short run to the workout spot as a sort of a general warm-up. Then I use the basics, the push-ups, the pull-ups and so on as a specific warm-up for the workout itself. So sort of the workout itself becomes also the warm-up. Now by skipping the warm-up I save a lot of the time. Now I'm not saying you should jump straight into a muscle up, but this can be hugely beneficial to save time. So the workout will be full body. We want to go really hard, 30 seconds of working out and 30 seconds of rest. Now with the help of this workout I'm building up for a special summer. For this workout, you should be able to do 15 clean pull-ups. This is because we want to keep quality form while you should be able to pace yourself so that you only take rest during dedicated rest slots. Links to the workout itself below in the description. Also, more sane workouts are linked there. Let's go. All right, so without further ado, let's get down to business with the warm-ups, push-ups, pull-ups. Stick to your level, make sure the movement is mimicking the exercise that you will be doing. So similar movement patterns that will be in the exercise session. Remember, keep it short and sweet. We want to save time here, but go really hard and make it efficient. Let's go. Next in the pull-ups, you really want to engage that upper back. So to say, retract and depress the shoulder blades. This way we really train the upper back, which gets really inactive in our daily lives. Easy. A little bit of rest. There's a really tough exercise for the shoulders, handstand push-up. I'm using my toe against the bar, and of course if you can do it balanced, then I'm really impressed. This is the advanced version, really building that maximum strength of the shoulders. Use the pike push-ups if you are not yet on this level. Let's go. Burpees, absolutely horrendous exercise, but it really gets everything active, training the cardiovascular system as well as building up yourself for pushing yourself to the next level. We have two versions for the burpees, one with a push-up and one without. Now of course you can already do push-ups if you're doing this exercise, but if you're really tired, then do the easier version so we can keep the form in check. Let's go. Just a few more exercises and then we're done. All right, so the core, make sure you really engage the core by sucking in the tummy. You don't have to use too much breathing in the core exercises because we really want to keep it engaged. It's only 30 seconds, so let's go. And we're done. Now it's time for lunch, and hope you found this workout intense. Let me know how it goes. Make sure you drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Remember to check the more sane videos at the end of this one, and I'll see you in the next one.